If you're facing verification issues on DoorDash after several failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the verification process is accurate. Double-check your name, address, phone number, and any other required details to confirm they match your identification documents. Step 2. Review verification requirements. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear app cache or reinstall. If you are using the DoorDash app, try clearing the app cache or uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can help resolve any technical glitches that may be causing the verification issues. Step 4. Contact DoorDash support. If the problem persists, reach out to DoorDash customer support. You can do this through the app or website. Provide them with detailed information about your verification attempts and any error messages you received. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for any updates. If you do not receive a response within a few days, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on DoorDash. If problems continue, remain persistent in seeking assistance from customer support.